There's the gang all having a chat. Well, it's the Dynodaze Honda meet. I've been mega busy, but here we go. Let's have a walk round and see what we've got. Obviously this is not a 1.6, so that's what we call a stealth badge. We've mapped that one. It's like, well, we mapped that one as well. Well, haven't we mapped this one? You know Richards, this is the competing Javelin Sprint Series car. A beautiful EK. Look at that, it's K-swapped, supercharged. Obviously, look how gorgeous that is. When I grow up, I'll get one of those. There's Lewis's in the background. What else we got? We've got a customer's car there. Coming on Wednesday, collect that. Beautiful, that made a load of power. Obviously, there's a Jazz there. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, now we're talking. Got some silver Civics. This is Joe's. It's nice. Spoon yellow rocker cover. Very nice. I'm sure you probably know Rex's car. K24 swap. K24 Frank, I believe, from our YouTube channel, if you follow our YouTube channel. Let's have a look what else we got. And the usual suspects. Tucked away. Up the corner. Here bright and early to get a space. Chris's is looking nice.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.